Hello, welcome back. So in the previous class, I taught us on how to navigate the three options in our InShot app: the video aspect, the photo aspect, and the college aspect. So in this part, I will be teaching us on how to match two photos or two videos together. So if you are dealing with something, you are selling product or selling service and you wanted to display your service instead of posting one after the other, you can make a video for your product of a video of your product or your service to people. To do that, you now go to your photo, video, you click one, then you go and pick your photo. Let's assume as a graphic designer, I want to display my photo together, like maybe I've designed like 2 or 3 flyers or something like that. Then I want to display the flyers. Then I'll go to my recent. I'll go to where my images, my flyers was. Then let me just go to my pixel app, and I wanted to select like 3 or 5 photos. Then I'll be selecting this one. I want to select these two. Okay, I want to select, I'm looking this 3. I'll be selecting this also 4, and I want to select this 5. Let's assume I want to select this, then you will now click the OK. These are my 4 photos. Then if you want to change the shapes, then you come to this canvas and make it as Instagram page. Then OK. Then let's play it one after the other. Can you see it? This is a simple method on how to display. Let's assume you want to use something, then you can download it. The 4th one and the 5th one. So if you want to merge different photos together, this is a simple method on how to do that. Then you now come here to save it. Okay, after you have saved it, then you now go back to your home. So I want to do that of the video. You go back to video and pick new, then new, then you just go to video. Instead of writing photo, you just pick a video. Then any video that you wanted to use, you just pick like 2 or 3 videos that you wanted to use for your design. Now that I want to use this video, let me just check 2 or 3 videos I can use from. Okay, I want to use this Quran video. One. Bismillah. Let me go back. This Quran video. And let me check this one. I want to use this 3 video. Then you click OK. Then you can merge the two will be merged together. Let me just cut it. If I want to cut it, if I want to trim it, I'll just come to this split. Let me bring it here. Then I'll split it. I want to delete the second part, then I'll delete this part. Then this is the second one. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal-asr. Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas malikin nas. So I want to split this one also. Then I want to split it. I want to delete some aspect. I'll come here, I'll do split and delete. So I have merged 2. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal-asr. Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas malikin. So this is a method on how to merge photos of your product or videos of your product. Let's assume that you're going to deliver your products to someone, and you ask the person to snap you or do a video for you. Then you can put different type of videos of that and display it for your customer, for your future customer. So that's simple method on how to merge photo and videos together. So we'll be meeting in our next class. Bye for now.